Assalamu alaikum, dear parents and learners. Welcome to week 5 Science Distance Learning. Our topic for today is Sky and Earth, Lesson 2, Patterns in the Sky. Slide number 2, Learning Intention. Learners will be able to tell what causes day and night. Slide number 3, let us read the vocabulary of the lesson, starting with word number 1, rotation. The motion that makes the Earth spins one time every 24 hours. Sunrise. Sunrise is what happens when the sun seems to rise in the morning. Sunset. What happens when the sun seems to set in the evening. Slide number 5. What causes day and night? Please watch the following videos to learn more about day and night or Earth rotation. Slide number 6. Let's read and see what happens when the Earth spins or rotates. As we know, the Earth spins in space. It doesn't stand still. It makes one spin every 24 hours. This motion is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. As Earth spins, one half of Earth faces the sun, it is daytime there. The other half of the Earth faces away from the sun, it is nighttime there. Slide number 7. What is sunrise and sunset? Sunrise is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to rise in the morning. Then the sun seems to move across the sky. It is high in the sky around noon. Sunset is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to set in the evening. The sun is not moving. The rotation of Earth makes the sun seem to move. Slide number 8, Independent Learning Practice Sheets. Let us do a few examples together. Question number 1, we are asked to match the columns. Please match the new vocabulary words with the definition. Sunrise, rotation, and sunset. Sunrise is when the sun seems to rise in the morning. So you're going to match it with that definition, the third definition at the bottom. Rotation causes day and night. Very good. And sunset is when the sun seems to set in the evening. Question number 2. The sun is not moving. What makes the sun seem to move? Excellent. The sun seems to move because the Earth moves. Question number 3. Label the Earth, sun, and moon on the picture. Fantastic. The first picture is the sun, the second picture is the Earth, and the third picture is the moon. We know that the sun is the biggest star, and the Earth is the second smallest in shape, and then the moon is smaller than the Earth. Slide number 9, worksheet number 2. Let us do the exercise together. Question 1. Use the terms in the box to complete the sentences. Number 1, Earth makes one spin every? That's correct, 24 hours. Number 2, blank causes day and night. Very good. Rotation causes day and night. Number 3, one half of Earth faces the sun has daytime. Number 4, the other half of Earth faces away from the sun has nighttime. Number 5, blank is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to rise in the morning. Excellent. The answer is sunrise. Sunrise is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to rise in the morning. Number 6, Earth spins in? Wow, very good. Space. Number 7, blank is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to set in the evening. Very good. Sunset is a pattern that happens when the sun seems to set in the evening. Question 2, the sun is not moving. What makes the sun seem to move? Number 3, Carlos is looking at the night sky. Which tool can he use to make the stars appear larger and closer? Is it A, microscope, B, telescope, C, magnifying glass, or D, eyeglasses? Use the picture to answer questions 3 and 4. 2 students are working together to model the effects of Earth's movement in space. The girl spins the model Earth 1 time. How much time has passed? Is it A, 24 hours, B, 48 hours, C, 1 week, or D, 1 year? Number 5, in this model, what does the flashlight represent? A, the moon, B, the sun, or C, the earth, or D, a planet? Visible learning. Please check with the learner where they're standing in the learning pit. If they're facing any challenges, please refer back to the links provided and complete the extra independent learning activities for more practice.